If you're looking to host your files, revisions, and deliverables in one place, you're in the right place. I've tested out the most popular tools, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in the most efficient way possible. By the end, you'll have a solid solution for managing everything from files to revisions to deliverables in one centralized hub. Let's get into it. The first thing you want is a platform that allows for easy file storage, but also lets you manage revisions and track deliverables. There are several tools out there, but I've found that this software offers the easiest way to handle all of this in one place. It combines file hosting, revision control, and deliverable tracking without the complexity of juggling multiple platforms. The key here is to make sure your files are stored in a way that's organized and accessible. You'll want to use a cloud-based system as it gives you access from anywhere and ensures your files are safe. This software allows you to upload files with drag and drop simplicity. From there, you can add tags, set deadlines, and even create version histories, so every revision is tracked automatically. Next, let's talk revisions. No matter what kind of work you're doing, revisions are inevitable. The trick is to make sure that you can manage them without confusion. With this software, every time a file is updated or changed, a new version is created, so you never lose track of the progress. You'll also be able to see the changes made in each revision and roll back to a previous version if necessary. It's easy to compare the old version with the new one, and that helps keep everything organized. Now, let's talk about deliverables. A lot of times, deliverables are scattered in emails, chat apps, or other file sharing tools, but here, all your deliverables can be tracked in one place. You can set deadlines, get reminders, and even create specific tasks related to each deliverable. This ensures you stay on top of deadlines and don't miss anything important. For anyone new to this, a big bonus with this software is the ability to invite team members, collaborators, or clients to access certain files or projects without exposing everything. You control what they can see and do, making it perfect for team collaboration. It's so much easier than having to email files or set up separate systems for each stakeholder. If you want to follow along and see exactly how I do this, check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. The key takeaway here is that hosting files, revisions, and deliverables in one place saves you time and stress. With the right software, you can organize everything in a way that makes sense, keep track of all changes, and meet your deadlines more efficiently. To quickly recap, upload your files to a cloud-based system, use version control for revisions, and track your deliverables with deadlines and reminders. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a great way to get started and see how this software works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.